Hey, continuing the spinning theme to make a very simple part of the wishbone, but there's other uses for this at the moment, so this will be the first. Wooden buck, as I said before. Now I've actually made a tool post off. Just use the post as simple and using the wheels. Really, I should have a secondary kind of scissor arm, which makes it easier for adjusting without having to move the post all the time. But for the moment, just to see if it works, which should seem to quite nicely. Two bearings, a solid piece of steel, turn that up, insert it in there so that spins freely, and then basically force it into from a flat piece of steel to a nice curve. I'm only using a spruce wood former, so it's not exactly what you call brilliant, but it's close enough because there's hardly any really deformation in the wrong place. So basically this is what you end up with. For a flat piece of steel you end up with a nice 1 inch curve here, or actually just an inch and a 1/16. So this piece there, and that curve is exactly what I'm after. Not after the middle, not really after the outside. You can see the piece I've just cut out. And quick 5 minutes cutting out. Now you can see what it's for. It's the infill pieces for the wishbones. Just a gusset or whatever you want to call them. But basically, just that curvature there is virtually correct to that. So there's not much work to be done. Put it on top, click it, and away we go. Nice and simple. And obviously there'll be one of those on both sides. So they'll meet up in the middle, and then it'll just TIG weld around there and TIG around both sides. So it's the infill bit. It's what makes it look that little bit nicer, adds a bit of strength to the wishbone itself, and yet again, these will be put on afterwards. Basically all of these joints here will all be welded up first, so we know that's good, and then this gives the little bit more structure to it, but also cleans it up, makes it look, a couple of 100 times better.